Understanding a day off from work. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a common but very important phrase in the English language: a day off from work. This phrase is widely used, and understanding it can help you in both your professional and personal conversations. So, let's explore what it means, when to use it, and some examples to help you get comfortable with this phrase. A day off from work refers to a day when you are not required to work or go to your job. It's a break or a pause from your regular work schedule. This could be for various reasons, such as a public holiday, personal leave, or company policy that allows employees certain days off. The key aspect here is that during this day, you are free from your work responsibilities, allowing you to rest, pursue hobbies, spend time with family, or do anything else you enjoy. Days off are crucial for maintaining a healthy work-life balance. They provide you with an opportunity to recharge, reduce stress, and improve mental health. This break from work can lead to increased productivity and a happier life. It's important for employers and employees alike to value and respect days off to ensure a positive and productive work environment. Let's go through some examples to see how this phrase can be used in everyday conversations. I'm taking a day off from work tomorrow to go hiking with my family. Can we schedule the meeting for next week? I'll be on a day off from work this Friday. The company provides 2 days off from work during the holiday season. These examples show how the phrase can be adapted to different situations, emphasizing its versatility in conversation. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding the phrase, a day off from work. Remember, taking time off is not just a break from your job, but an essential part of maintaining a balanced and fulfilling life. We encourage you to use this phrase confidently in your conversations, whether you're planning your next day off or discussing work schedules. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to take those well-deserved days off.